Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to iCloud. Verification codes cannot be sent to this phone number at this time. If you're using any iPhone or iPad, you're trying to create an Apple ID, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to create an Apple ID, you might see an error which is you are unable to connect with the iCloud or your verification code cannot be sent to your phone number. So let's see some possible fixes for this. You just have to go back from here and just scroll down control center and you have to make sure that you're not connecting to any kind of VPN. As the VPN option, just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN and you have to make sure that you have a stable, strongest connection. Then go back, go to settings, go to general, try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back from here, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after doing this, you have to simply go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Your issue must have to be fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to wait for almost 1 hour, 2 hours. Sometimes it might take 24 hours. So I recommend you have to try to wait for 24 hours without retrying this time. So after 24 hours, you have to retry, and your issue must have to be fixed. If there will be any server issues, it will be fixed in this step. So you will not get the issue again. But if you are still facing the same issue, so you can try to use a different phone number, or you can also try to contact with your Apple support team. Now to contact with the Apple support, just open your Apple support app and here just select iPhone. Then select this more option, select App Store here, and then just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help. Then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get off your help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.